Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanted Apollo here, fired up and grateful for another day to be able to share with you. This morning's call was Magical Monday with Mike. I love that. I love Mike Hobbs, and he talked about, marketing. It isn't marketing if you ain't doing something each and every day, like shooting video, going on your social media, sharing value, whatever that you do to get your word out. May it be paid advertising, Facebook marketing, but you need to get your word out to the world. That's one thing that I love about shooting video, because you can shoot video from the comfort of your own home, anywhere you are. You could be anywhere in the world, and you could shoot a video each and every day to your target market. We talked about, on the morning call this morning, Mama Elizabeth talks about the I am presence, and I believe that, guys. Everything that I've attained in life has been through the higher power. What I mean by that is there's something greater inside me. Everything I've achieved, from my house to my car to, this little piece of property here. This was my dream. This house went in many stages, but so didn't myself. I went through a transformation of the heart, the mind, a lot of transformation on the inside. Each and every day, we grow on this journey of personal development. It's about taking action, right? Sharing value, working on yourself. A mentor told me one time, work harder on yourself than you do anything else. And I believe that to be true. Also, the money will come to you in the time and at the proportion you deliver the services you intend to render in return for it. So if you're out there sharing a product or a service with somebody, and you shoot 1 or 2 videos, 3 videos, and you think people are going to just flock to you, you got to do things over and over and over. I tell people that work online, you got to master the skills necessary to attain that which you want. Success in anything takes 5,000 hours. So you've got to be willing to do the work, put in the time, and master the skills. But what makes it easier is plug yourself in with a community. And I love our traffic and conversions, because our call, and it's a mastermind, because you can plug in with the leaders, Mike and Paul, over the shoulder. And any question that you have, guys, you can get your question answered. They're there to help everybody succeed. The last thing I want to say is I want to invite you to that event down in Texas. It's going to be awesome. And I'm really looking forward to seeing my friends around the world, learning, growing, and just hugging everybody. So it's just a great place to be around high energy people that you work with all year. And we always do something fun. So as always, do something good for somebody else in space to know when they can't repay you. I love you. I appreciate you. Have an awesome day.